Walter, your lunch is ready. Want to see how I make a really good sandwich? Keep watching. Hey you guys, I got the sandwich maker from this TikTok shop. I love it. It's already heating up. It's getting nice and warm and toasty. And it's going to help us make the best BLT ever. So over here you have your dial. You can determine whether you want it on minimum heat or maximum heat. And where you adjust it is up to you. So I'm going to put it about halfway through. And then while it's heating up, we are going to assemble our sandwich. And that's it, you guys. That's how you make the perfect sandwich. It's lightly toasted. It looks good. Bougie presentation. The cheese is melted. Absolutely wonderful. Listen, it has a drain in the back to catch the fat. It heats up quickly. It distributes the heat evenly. And I love it. Walter, your lunch is ready. So click the card below to get yours today.